Hi there, and welcome to your Zen in 10 practice. Today, we're going to be exploring a mindfulness meditation. It's the open sky meditation. And over the next few minutes, we are going to root into the present moment and then explore the connection between unattaching from our thoughts. And as we disassociate from our thoughts, really noticing them as clouds in the sky. So, taking a moment and getting yourself set up, feel free to do this either seated cross-legged, or you may prefer to be in a chair. Whatever way you choose to do this meditation, really we're looking for a definite seat and a way to sit where you can lengthen through the spine and sit really erect with a very deliberate posture for your mindfulness meditation. So once you're in position, I'll invite you to take a moment here, and if it's comfortable to do so, perhaps closing the eyes. And let's go for 3 deep breaths here together. Let's inhale deeply and exhale fully. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. And once more, taking a long in breath. And on your exhale, letting go fully. And as you sit in this moment, just placing your attention on your body. Perhaps noticing your seat in contact with the surface beneath it. Maybe anchoring to your feet in contact with the floor. Perhaps you might notice how your hands are resting. Maybe it's the sounds around you. Or perhaps you choose to anchor into your breath. Just choosing an anchor, a safe place that you feel you can return to anytime your mind wanders in this meditation. And now let's shift our attention towards the mind itself, exploring how our mind feels in this moment. Perhaps imagining yourself standing in a wide open field. Nothing around you, just space. And above you, perhaps noticing a vast, empty blue sky. In the sky, you begin to notice clouds drifting by. Some are small, wispy, or barely there. Others might appear larger, heavy, slower moving perhaps. And then tuning into the sensations that each cloud is like a thought. Noticing how they appear, drift, and eventually pass. You don't need to chase them or hold on to them. You don't need to push them away either. Just like the sky, your mind is vast enough to hold them all. Exploring the clouds, the different varieties as they simply pass on by. And anytime you notice your mind beginning to wander, just gently and kindly inviting it right back to this moment. And again, placing your attention on the clouds, just passing by. And then in your mind's eye, just imagining a bench beside you, a strong, sturdy bench. And imagining this as a workbench in the mind. So if you notice yourself pulled into a thought or noticing an important thought that needs your attention, you have the option to place this thought on the workbench in your mind, then allowing the clouds to keep moving on by. Returning to your workbench at any stage, but knowing it's there to hold anything that needs your attention when you are ready to explore those thoughts. And if you notice yourself being pulled into a thought, a worry, a memory, a plan, simply step back and see it as another cloud in the sky. Big or small, light or heavy, it too shall pass. You are not the cloud. You are not the thought. You are the sky. Spacious, open, clear. Thoughts come and go, but the sky remains. Resting here for a few moments, watching the clouds drift on by, noticing your thoughts rise and fade, and over again, just bringing yourself back to that wide, vast sky as the clouds move on by. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness right back to your body. Perhaps noticing the anchor points of your feet, seat, hands, or the sounds around you. And once more, noticing your breath moving slow and deep, in and out. Taking a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Again, inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. When you are ready, bring a little movement back into your body. Gently opening your eyes, noticing how you feel. Perhaps a little more spacious, perhaps a little more grounded. This is your open sky mind, always available. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. See you next time. Namaste.